Yun, nilagay natin yung ating bawang, din yung ating crabs. And also our tahong. So nilagyan natin ng bawang ulit, guys. Then we'll put Sprite, guys, no. Yan. 1.5 liters of Sprite. Pakuluan natin to siya, guys. Then timplahan na natin ng iba pang sahog. We'll put sibuyas. Then we'll add onion leeks. Also our seasoning, liquid seasoning, guys. Ayan. Ito yung lulutuin natin, guys, yung seafoods with the tahong, crabs, and mamaya, guys, i-mix natin yung ating hipon, guys. Hey! Hello, guys! Welcome to Jesus Kitchen. Kumusta, guys? Happy Sunday sa inyong lahat, guys. Kumusta kayo diyan sa ibang lugar, guys, sa ibang bansa? Kumusta ang ating umaga ngayon? Welcome to Jesus Kitchen. Magluluto tayo, guys, ng ating seafoods today. Hey! Hey, guys, pinakuluan ko na yung ating tahong at sa crabs, smoked crabs with the Sprite, 1.5 liter of Sprite, guys. So maya after, igigisa natin ito sa butter kasama na yung ating hipon, guys. Hey! Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to Jesus Kitchen. Kumusta kayo dyan, mga kababayan ko? Ingat-ingat po tayo sa panahon ngayon, guys, no, na napakainit. Mix natin din itong mais at sili, guys, no? Mamaya mix natin. Ayan na, guys, tinanggal ko muna. Igigisa na natin ito with the hipon sa ating iba pang mga sahog with butter, guys.
Seafood butter.
Seafood butter. Guys, nakahiwala yung ating hipon. Pakuluan kunti ng ating Sprite with mix with garlic. Ayan, guys, lagyan natin ng kunting seasoning, guys, para palasa. Medyo para maluto kunti yung ating. Then we also mix with our black pepper. Yan, guys, yung ating mais, no? Iba-blance lang natin ito with the hipon or shrimp. It's about 1 kilo of shrimp, guys. Yan, guys, isang buong butter to, guys, no? Then we'll mix it with garlic. Sarap ng amoy, guys, eh. Ayan, guys, nag-melt yung butter. Then we'll put some leeks and other seasoning, guys. We'll mix with also with sibuyas. Then, yung ating black pepper. We'll prepare everything. Yung ating hipon with the yung slice na mais. Yan. Sarap ng amoy guys, oh. Bangong-bango ang ating amoy sa ating kuwan. Yan na guys, yung ating tahong, hipon at saka crabs. Then we'll mix it also with kinchay pang pasarap ng amoy guys, no? Pabango ng amoy. So mimix muna natin to until fully cooked na siya guys. Yan. Then we'll add also again seasoning at saka yung ating shrimp cubes. Yan guys. Ihalo lang natin. Takpan muna natin para fully cooked ating lalo na sa ating crabs guys. Yan. Hey! Please like, share, and subscribe sa aking channel guys. Gis's Kitchen. Then we'll add our oyster sauce. Okay, guys. Guys, tansyahin lang natin yung pinakasabaw ni guys na hindi siya maalat, na tama lang. So kumplito na yung ricados natin. Yung ating seafood. Buttered seafood guys. Shrimp, crabs, and tahong. Ayun na guys, luto na ang ating seafood, buttered seafood guys. Yun nyo. Sarap ng amoy ng ating seafood guys. Oh. Salamat guys sa inyong panonood sa aking video, Gis's Kitchen. Guys, ang ating buttered seafoods guys, yung ating hipon, tahong at saka crabs guys, no? Yan, ang sarap guys, ang bango-bango ng amoy guys ng ating buttered seafoods. Hey! Muusok pa guys, oh.